Hello everybody and welcome to the second part of getting started with Simbox. Today I will show you how to write simple application using Simbox. We will use visualization to create our own object and then do simple palletizing application with it. To navigate visualization, you can use right mouse button to rotate the view, left one to just scroll the view, and scroll to adjust the zooming. Okay, so first of all, let's click settings on the upper right corner and check grip box. This will help us to see the area of gripping tool. Now let's choose some tool. We will use vacuum gripper. Let's open shape generator. You can see a few different shapes here. We will choose cube. Let's insert some name, cube size, location, then color and shape type. We have three types of objects. There is obstacle, it is a static object. There is a work, it is an object to be picked and placed. And a tool, which is just a robot's tool. At any time, we can edit object size, color and position. I will show you it later. When the object is ready, we click Add, and now we can see it on our visualization. To our application, we will need a bunch of cubic like this, so I will create these at once. When our cubic column is ready, we can save pick and place position. We guide the robot arm to the desired positions using the jog tab. In the jog tab, move to the object you want to pick up. Define point P0 by clicking Teach. Move away and approach to second location. Define point P1. Important thing is that this TC point must be inside the object if you want to pick it up, so let's remember that. Let's move to the Programs tab. Here we can create new application. Let's call it my new program. Astorino robot is programmed in AS language. Simbox works exactly the same way. For today's video, instead of writing the program from scratch, we will download a pre-made one from the computer. By clicking this linking arrow, you are sending program to the robot. We got message that the program is loaded and now it's ready to be executed. In this list, you can see all of the applications in robot's memory. Now we have to switch to repeat mode and let's start the cycle. You can also run it in Teach, but it will be slower because only repeat mode can take 100% of the robot's speeds. Here we have palletizing program, but when you have more simpler one, you can enable repeat continuous mode to loop the program. In the visualization, you can also enable path tracking to show the robot's movement. As I mentioned earlier, we can always edit the object. We have to find it in this list. Once we select one, it will highlight, and thanks to that we can see on the visualization which one is selected. We can either edit it or delete. Let's delete this spare one. We can save the visualization by exporting it as a XML file. To do that, let's click Settings and Export. This file will contain data of all of the objects, so we can get back to it anytime. And that is how we create simple palletizing application. Thank you for watching and good luck with your further testing and development using Simbox.